Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vandana Dhameja practicing in Khamgaon, Maharashtra. I have attended Dr. Bhavdeep Singh Ahuja sir's practice management workshop in January 2022. I have worked as an associate dentist before having my own clinical setup. Having said that, I had a generalized idea about how to run a dental practice, a dental setup. But when I had my own clinical setup, it was a bit burden on my shoulders. And this burden was lightened up by attending Dr. Bhavdeep sir's workshop. Starting with the orientation session, the 7 days long workshop including 1 day question and answer session was full of deep knowledge, full of insights, full of takeaway points. Looking at Sir's dedication and sincerity, we participants equally contributed to be sincere and worked really hard to whatever Sir has taught us. And we tried giving our best via the takeaways via the PGA sessions. I have been watching Sir's YouTube video and webinars since long now, but trust me, the content which he has provided in the practice management workshop was totally different, totally new, and was totally full of insights, and many carry home gyan were given to us in this session, 7 days long session. I would really recommend it. I would really recommend this workshop to any age of practice, be it a startup, be it a settled or a middle road or a settled practice. I am very satisfied after attending this workshop, and I am trying now to implement the things which I have learned from the workshops. Thank you once again, Dr. Bhavdeep sir, for such a wonderful 7 days workshop. I'm totally satisfied with whatever you have given, and as you always say, your brand is to under promise and over deliver, and you have fulfilled that. Thank you.